FastPass supports multiple systems and enables a user to reset their own expired or forgotten passwords, synchronize passwords across the range of systems, or individually select passwords for reset. It's not only Windows passwords that users forget. Most organizations have databases and applications that are also password protected, and remembering and managing these is very difficult. A user might well forget many of them after a break or holiday. Unfortunately, the non-Windows systems, such as SAP, are often even more expensive to administer, so these cause more administrative pain than Windows. The increasing range of connectors currently supported by FastPass is the largest on the market. A further complexity is the differing needs of different organizations. Some choose a single password across all systems for their users' ease of use. Others, individual passwords on each system for security, or have individual passwords imposed because of differing complexity policies. Some companies also insist on changing passwords frequently, meaning that the users might not have a valid password when returning to work, even after a few days away. FastPass copes easily with multiple passwords and can synchronize a single password across all of the user's systems for ease of use, or manage all passwords individually for increased security. The FastPass self-service interface allows the users to manage passwords on a wide range of non-Windows systems, further reducing calls to the help desk and further increasing return on investment.